Hello everyone, let us learn about addition and subtraction using stacks. Stacks are nothing but bundles of tens, right? The concept of tens and ones we are going to learn in form of stacks, right? A bundle of tens. Just see here, we are going to do textbook exercises, page number 88 and 89. The concept is addition concept, okay? Let us understand this concept. Here, the concept is count the number first in ones, count the stacks next in tens. Stacks are bundles of tens. Count the number in each, understand what we teach. Write the number in ones, write the number in tens, learn the concept, write the numbers as said. See here, first, just see this, two ones, write two here. Two tens, 2, the number becomes 22. Next, 4 ones and 2 tens. It is 24. The answer is 46. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. The answer becomes 4 tens and 6 ones is 46. The same thing we are going to do here. First, count the number in ones. We don't have anything in ones here, right? So, count the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bundles? 4. 10, 20, 30, 40. The number is 40. Now, count the ones. 1, 2, 3. Write 3 here. And next, 1, 2, 3. That is 10, 20, 30. 3 bundles. 33 is the number. What will be the answer? 73. 0 plus 3, 3. 4 plus 3, 7. What will now? Let us write the answer here. 7 tens and 4 ones. Next, the same thing applies here. First, count the number in ones first. What is the number? 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4. The number is 43. Next, plus, what is the number here? 4. And here tens, 10, 20, 30. 30 and 4. 34. What will be the answer? 77. 3 tens and 4 ones. 4 tens and 3 ones. What is the answer? 7 tens and 7 ones. Okay. Just see this here. Count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a number, right? 4. And how many tens? 10, 20, 30. 34. Next, how many ones? 2. How many tens? 2. 22. What will be the answer? 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. Answer will be 56. Now, write that here. 5 tens and 6 ones. Next one, add 2-digit numbers here. See, this is one full stack, complete stack, and this is the ones place. Now let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? See, 4, 3, 7. 7, 7, 77. 7 tens, 7 ones. And here how many ones? 2 ones. And 2 tens, 22. What will be the answer here? 7 plus 2, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 99. 9 tens. Where are we going to write? We are going to write here. 9 tens and 9 ones. See this. Now, what is the answer here? Now, how many ones? 3. Yes, 3. How many tens? 10, 20, 30, 40. 43. 40 and 3, 43. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 6. And how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4. 46. 43 plus 46. 3 plus 6. 9. 4 plus 4. 8. See the page number 89. What a match. 8 tens and 9 ones. Good. Let us see this. Now, how many are there? Ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones and 3 tens, that is 37. 3 tens, 7 ones. There are no ones here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only tens are there. 50. What will be the answer? 87. So answer will be 8 tens and 7 ones. Okay, now the same concept using subtraction. Page number 95. There is a certain concept to be understand. You have to understand this. Count the stacks first along with ones. The number in ones along with the stacks. Count the numbers set in the boxes. There is a number given in a box. Subtract the number in each place. Count them properly with slow pace. Count them slowly. Write the number in ones. Write the number in tens. Learn the concept. Write the numbers as set. You will understand this. Just see this. Now, here a box is given. Here. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. Complete stack is colored, right? That is 15. That we have to write here. You will understand this first. Let us count everything. 10, 20, 30 and these are 9 ones. 39 and 5 ones here. One stack is 10, 10. 1 tens, 5 ones is 15. 9 minus 5, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. Same thing we are going to do here. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 40 and this is 9. So what is the number? 49. Now what is the box here? Yes, this is the box. And how many numbers are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Look at the colored box. It has only 5 ones. Now 9 minus 5, 4. If no number is there, it is 0. So answer will be 44. 4 tens, 4 ones. Where are we going to write? Here. Now we will understand this better. I am going to read this again. Just see this. Count the stacks along with ones. 10, 20, 30 and 5. Okay. These are the 3 stacks along with ones. 35. And select the colored part for the number which has to come down. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. Right? Now we have to do 5 minus 3. What is the answer? 2. And 3 will come down. 32. Now what is the answer? 3 tens and 2 ones. Right? Subtract 1. You see the heading here. Previously it was subtract 3, subtract 1. It is clearly mentioned. It is given beta. See here, it is clearly given. Subtract 1. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 and 6. 86. 8 and 6 ones. Out of this, we have to take out 1. Right? Now, what will be the answer? 6 minus 1, 5 and 8. Right? 8 tens and 5 ones are left. Okay. Next. See here. Now, 2-digit numbers. Now, count the whole thing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 40 and 6. 46. Count complete set. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4. Or count like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 20, 30, 40. And how many? 6. Now out of that we have to select the first 2 tens and 2 ones. 2 tens, 2 ones, 22 is 24. Next. Here you see this is 4 tens, 40 and 4 and 5, 9. The answer is 49. Out of which we have to select 5. We have already done this there. 5. So what is the answer? 44. 4 tens and 4 ones. Remember what did I give you here? Okay. Next. Count the stacks along with ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 60. Along with ones. Ones के साथ count करना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 65. Out of that, ones is how many? 3. Tens is 4. 43. What will be the answer? 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 2 tens and 2 ones. Write that here. Next, just see here. Count the stack along with ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens and 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now see this. 87 is the number. Now count the ones which are colored. How many? 3. And tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 63. 7 minus 3, 4. 8 minus 6, 2. What is the answer? 8 tens? No. That is a complete number. It is, we have to write the answer here. 2 tens and 4 ones are left. Okay.